Hello everyone. This side Aman Priyambad from Bandy and Mood Private Limited. In this video, we will learn about purchase requisition. In purchase requisition, I am going to teach you what they are, why they are important, and how they fit into the SAP MM procure to pay cycle. Okay, and in short form, procure to pay is P2P cycle. Okay, so let's get started. First, I am going to tell you what is a purchase requisition. Okay, purchase requisition is an internal document created in SAP to request the purchase of goods or services. Okay, it's understood. One a common example. If you want to buy a item for your home, and items are not a single, multiple item. So first you need to write all the item in your any pages your diary. Uh, so it's easy for you to buy the any product before you maintain the all the items in your pages. Okay, okay, and actually in your mind and in my mind also, why we use a PR important in the P2P cycle. Why PR important in the P2P cycle? So in the MM material management module, the P2P cycle start with the requirements to buy something. So the PR is the first step. Okay. So it's a help to control spending, adds accountability, improve planning, automates workflow. Okay. So the actually PR kick off the entire procurement process in a controlled and in a organized way. Okay, and in the PR, the main transaction code. There are three kind of transaction code we used in PR. First is ME51 and for create purchase requisition, and ME52 and transaction code for edit in PR. If you need to change anything in PR, you need to use the transaction code ME52N. Okay, and if you want to display a PR, then you use transaction code ME53N. So ME53N for display, ME52N for edit and change or changes, and ME51 to create a PR. Okay, so I am going to show you how to create a PR in S4HANA system. So first you need to put a transaction code in transaction code box. So I am going to create a purchase requisition. So PR, first transaction code to create a PR for ME51 and then press enter. Okay, and after you press the enter, then PR creation page are open. Okay, so in this display, first you need to fill the material number. You can also go there. If you copy your material number, then you write here, and if you want to search, to go in search and then also. Okay, so I am going to take a material number 33. Okay, so click here, material 33 is entered, then place enter. If you press the enter, they recommended you to which field you need to fill. Okay, and they give you SAP system give you a required field that's a necessary to fill this. Okay, so press enter, and they say quantity. I have put here quantity 40. You can put anything, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That's the item number. Okay, quantity, you know, quantity, it's simple. So I am going to fill here 40, 40, and then press enter, and then they say enter plant. So my plant number is 2026, I have remembered, but you can also search and find your plant. So my plant is 2026, so I am press here and then press enter, and they say enter purchase group. So purchase group I am taking. Okay, 001 our purchase group. Actually, you can also search here. Okay, 001. You can take anything. When you are working on a project, client project, they provide you everything. Okay, it's a configuration part. So they provide you everything. For training purposes, I am put here on 001 and then place enter and place enter. Okay, and they say delivery made. Okay, so status here you can see, can delivery date be met? So in delivery date I need to fill here, today is 30/9/2025. So in calendar I can give a any date, uh 1 October. Okay, so I am going to 1. Okay, okay, and so after fill all the required field, then go to the save button and save your PR, and then your PR number is created. Okay, so if you want to see the PR number, you can go and click here, and then your performance assistant display is showing, and here so purchase requisition number, that this created. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. In next video I am going to tell you about how can we create a purchase order on the basis of purchase requisition. So first you need to stay on your first, you need to copy your PR number, and then on the basis of this PR number, we will create purchase order. Okay, so thank you guys. Please like and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay with our training videos. Okay, so thank you so much.